Are you still using those outdated, old-fashioned task lists that are organized by priority? Well, I'm Mike from your Virtual CTO, and today I'm going to explain to you why you should always use context-based task lists. Now, in order to be productive, you have to be free to actually get the task done. If you are in a situation where you cannot complete a certain task on time, or you can't even work on that task, perhaps there's materials that you need, documentation that you need, and you don't have it in the location that you're at, well then you can't get that task done. This is why just because your number one task is to put a new roof on your home, it doesn't mean you can do your number one task. The first thing you have to consider is, are you in a place where you can do it? Do you have the time? And do you have the energy? And that is where context-based tasks are amazing. The old-fashioned way is ineffective in that it creates a situation where you may not be able to complete that task at the time and place that you would like to complete that task. Context-based tasks enable you to be productive anytime, anywhere, with any amount of energy. If you're feeling super low energy, you just pick a task off of your context list that fits where you are, can be done, and needs the amount of energy that you have. This is not a very intuitive approach, but it works. It's a system based off of a book called Getting Things Done. And you would think that with a name like Getting Things Done, that it has some lessons that enable you to get things done. And most assuredly, it does. Use context lists. For instance, I have a list called at computer. And anytime I've got a task that can only be completed at my computer, I mark it at computer. I have at phone calls. I have at agendas. I have at agendas with each person that reports to me or that I report to. And then during the days and weeks as I go along, if something comes up that I say, hey, next time I talk to Joe, I want to remember to tell them this, I put it on an at agendas -Joe context list. Then the next time I'm talking to Joe, I'll quickly pop over to my list manager, look up anything that's agenda Joe, and I'll talk to Joe about it. It's really that simple. If you want to learn more about how to make your life easier and how to be more productive, if you want to fine-tune your time management skills so that they work no matter where you are, head over to getyourvirtualcto.com/coaching. I have a special running for this month only, the month of December 2020. If you sign up for 2 months, that's 8 sessions of coaching, you get the first 4 sessions totally free and the second 4 sessions at 25% off. Head on over to getyourvirtualcto.com/coaching and let's change your life.